3 ways to be stress-free. Number 1. Breathe deeply. No matter how much of a no-brainer this one is, we all forget that this simple action can make us feel 100 times better in just a few seconds. Try inhaling for 5 seconds and exhaling for the same amount of time. Repeat. Side note, the practice of yoga uses breathing to guide every pose and movement through to completion. Through this, each person can escape, if only for an hour, from their hectic lives to a place where their only thought is how to breathe with intention. Number 2. Put it in perspective. When you can feel the heat rising in your neck and the steam about to come shooting out of your ears, take a physical step back from the situation at your call center and think about something extreme or ultimate, like death. Is what you're about to handle a matter of life or death? Do you really need to raise your blood pressure over something as minuscule as an upset customer? Of course you don't. Now if you're dealing with a repeat offender, meaning an employee who consistently has the same issue and is risking your own neck in the process, you may need to address the issue. But it's still not worth risking your good reputation by overreacting in front of your other dependable employees. Keep on mind that one bad public scolding is remembered far longer than a positive affirmation. Number 3. Take advantage of your answering service. If one of your employees is feeling overwhelmed, encourage them to let the phone ring rather than pick it up and risk poor customer service. This is a tricky one to balance as some less conscientious employees may take advantage of it. Have a system in place where your employees can quickly gauge their own tolerance level. One way to do this is to write up a document with 3 calming, short quotes they can quickly read to put them in a better mental state. If they still don't feel ready to field calls, let them pass one up and take a quick break.